Welcome to Gulliver's Land. We decided to look at Airbnb, and this is where we are. The place is completely empty because it was Easter holidays last week and it's during the week, so all the kids are at school, and this is like a very kid orientated place, so it's completely empty. But it's such a weird place. There are so many cute little cabins, different themes and everything. We're in the dinosaur one, but we're just walking around the lake, so I thought I'd take you around and show you all of the cute little cabins they have. So this is it as you walk in, and our cabin is up here. They have these dinosaur bones everywhere, which, yeah, they look slightly not child friendly. Oh,
there you go, cat for scale.
She doesn't mind it.
Oh.
And then these ones, there's only a few of they're like fairy tale themed ones, but they're really, really cute. And then around them, they've kind of got like the American camping ones. They're really, really cute. The next one we've come across is a JCB themed one. And then these ones are kind of like, would you say Western themed?
Yeah, the coffee is a sheriff's office, jail, saloon.
These ones ain't as bougie. Then they have these cabins, which are still a dinosaur themed, but they're a lot bigger. And then this is our cabin.
Bruh.
We are Velociraptor 1. And this is it. It has little bunk beds, our double bed, some dinosaur decorations. And look who's waiting for us outside. So we're now heading out for dinner. When we were looking for restaurants, there was genuinely so many nice ones, even though we're literally Milton Keynes.
I think everyone hates Milton Keynes. It's like a known English thing.
I feel like it's just a nothing place. Like,
it is one
no
of those
one really
places.
goes there. But yeah, it's actually kind of cute and it's kind of vibey.
This is giving. Oh.
So we're now going to the whole reason we're even in Milton Keynes, which is Jess, this is for you.
Go on then, Anya. Go on. Go talk to your buddy.
So, thoughts on the museum?
It was good. I feel like if I knew what was going on, I would have enjoyed it more.
Bruh.
But Anya helped, and we have just some things to Google.
Like 90% Star Wars and Star Trek. Just Star Wars.
What's called sci-fi?
It said film and sci-fi. Also, you couldn't really film in loads of it, so I got some sneaky clips where I could, but one of the things that I didn't get a picture of that I wanted to was Jurassic Park. The guy who was trying to steal it, he hides it in this shaving foam can, and they had that there, which was really cool, but I didn't get a picture of that.
Because there was someone standing next to
There was someone next to that. I'm glad we went.
Aww.
Yeah, it was interesting, wasn't it?
Yeah. So what we're going to do now?
I don't know.
Okay, so now we've come to a kids' farm.
Hey, farm park.
And we also got some food to feed the animals. So hopefully they've got some cute lambs and piggies. We'll take you round. Lambs. Lorelei and Lottie. And Miranda. Miranda's an orphan lamb. Oh my god, that's so sad. Which one do you think is which?
Miranda is the first one.
Yeah.
Hey, no fights.
Bruh.
Oh, well done. You can't jump in line, buddy. I saw what you did. Nope.
Come on, you're
I
not
don't want
scared.
it. I am.
Bruh.
Liam, you've got to do it.
Oh. That's alright, wasn't it? Well done.
I did something you didn't. Oh, Maxine is coming. They do look like big dogs.
Bruh.
Hello. So we finished at the farm and we've now got
Went to a local pub. It was only 6 minutes away.
Oh, it's really close to your face. How do I get it away?
Oh, if you spin around, you'll
Here we go. Liam also got some new sunglasses from the charity shop.
Yeah.
How cute.
I know.
And show them the pub.
Pub.
You know what a billet is? I do. Liam told me. It's a piece of metal that a blacksmith uses, like a scrap piece of metal, that they're going to make into something. Is that right?
Close. I'll give you that.
What is it?
It's what metal is made into to be made into something else.
Bruh.
And Anya got a neck oil as well. 23? Both 23s.
We didn't tell them what we actually did at the farm. Basically, obviously we fed loads of animals and Liam only fed one because he was terrified.
It was one actually, yeah. No, I fed pigs as well.
Oh, he threw the kibble?
Through and run. Kibble! That's so American, isn't it?
Threw the kibble into the pen, and then there were these bouncy things which were actually way better than trampoline. They were like inflated bouncy things.
Oh, you'll see it.
And we were bouncing.
It was fun.
Everybody better be bouncing. Oh god. Okay, don't double bounce me.
You look like... yeah, the flash. Ow.